In this video, we talk about Halil Ibrahim Seyhan and Sila Turkoglu on-screen connection. But first, if you love Sila and Halil, please like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate Sila and Halil Ibrahim Seyhan. From their initial collaboration, it was clear to audience that there was something special about their partnership. That spark of chemistry quickly evolved into a powerful bond, which became more evident as they worked on multiple projects together. Their ability to bring depth and authenticity to their characters has made their performances only engaging but also deeply touching. Over time, their connection has grown so strong that it has left the viewer emotionally attached to the character they portray. Iconic scenes featuring their interaction have become unforgettable moments, making their collaboration highlights of Turkish television. Their incredible dynamic is not limited to the screen. Behind the scenes, Halil and Sila have properly expressed their mutual respect and admiration for one another. This positive working relationship adds a layer of authenticity to their performances. The way they bring out the best in each other has created a seamless flow of emotions in their scenes, making their characters relatable and believable. Fans often precise how naturally they deliver intense emotional moments, leaving their deeply moved. Whatever its joyful exchange of a heartbreaking confirmation, their chemistry is magnetic, holding the audience attention effortless. What makes Halil and Sila pairing even more remarkable is the variety of emotions they are able to convey together. Their talent lies in how they bring nuance to every scene, ensuring that viewers are not just entertained but also deeply invested in the story. They have an innate ability to make even the simplest moment feel meaningful, which sets them apart as a duo. This connection has made them a benchmark for on-screen chemistry in Turkish television and earning them a loyal fan base that eagerly awaited every new project they undertake. Their growingly popularity as treatment to the impact of their performances. Audience don't just watch Halil and Sila, they experience the emotions, the high and lows, and the unspoken bond their characters share. It's no wonder that they have become one of the most beloved on-screen pairs in recent years. Their chemistry as a duo is proof that when two talented actors share a genuine connection, that can create magic that resonates with fans long after the credits roll. Halil Ibrahim Seyhan and Sila Turkoglu chemistry has transcended borders, earning them from one of the around of the global. Their on-screen connection has resonated with international audience who may not even speak the same language but feel the emotions they convey so effortlessly. Social media platforms are filled with fan edits, clips, and discussion dedication to their work, showcasing the impact of their performances. This global recognition has turned them into a cultural icons representing the brilliance of Turkish television drama on the international stage. The duo discussed can attribute to their dedication to their craft and their ability to bring life to become more complexity in every project. Their collaboration on screen has managed to bring out something unique, ensuring that each story feels fresh and engaging. Their work is a treatment of their ability to grow together as artists, evolving their craft while keeping their connection intact. These projects have not only been commercial successful but have also been precise or their emotion depth, often leaving fans eagerly discussing the plot of character long after the episode air. What makes Halil and Sila bond so captivating captivating is how relatable their character feels, so audience fans often their themselves in the struggles, joy, and growth of the character they portray. This relatability has sparked an emotional connection that goes beyond just admiration. It's a scene of shared experience. Many fans have expressed how much their performance have touched their hearts, often comfort in the inspiration during tough times.